Ainsley Pembroke pattern this time, in an unusual shape bowl. Not entirely certain it was sold as part of the dinnerware service. I'm pretty certain it wasn't actually. This is probably in the gift section. They started producing these in the late 20th century in quite large numbers for the souvenir and collector's market. It's nicely embossed moulded, as you can see, with these sort of, don't know what they are really, half hoops with little scrolls on the end. Still got its Ainsley sales sticker on here, so it's not been through a wash or anything. Lovely sectional decoration in the classic Pembroke with the bird in blue on there. Plain interior, gilt rim. It's almost segmented into sections, this, around the rim, and on its side wall, quite flat sectional. I think it's probably a 8 or 10 section. I haven't actually counted them. I think it's only 8. And you've got late 20th century Pembroke, made in England, Ainsley China marks, dating this to sort of 1980s, 1990s. Not in production anymore, obviously, so one for the collectors of Pembroke. It's in very fine condition. We've got no condition notes or warnings on this. Glaze, gilt, transfer, everything as it should be. As I say, you even get the Ainsley sticker. What's missing is the box, which it would have come in originally, probably from where it was sold. Probably in a very good quality china shop somewhere here in the UK. Well, it's now for sale for you to buy and have shipped globally to wherever you may be from the Vintage and Antiques website, together with quite a good collection of Pembroke pieces, both dinnerware, teaware and the souvenir and collector's shape pieces that were made. So do have a browse through the website. Description link below from YouTube will take you directly to the listing for this particular bowl. Thanks for watching.